to our series of the top 20 mistakes business owners make that can kill their business. I'm Phil Badura, your Action Coach business coach, here to help you steer clear of those pitfalls and unlock your business's true potential. For the next few weeks, we're living the dream and mixing work with pleasure at Paradise Beach on the Murray River down here at Cobram Baruga. Today, we're diving into pitfall number 3, what I like to call the DIY conundrum. It's a trap I see many business owners fall into, and I'll be honest, I've been there myself. It's the mindset of, no one can do it better than me. Maybe it's pride, or maybe it's fear of letting go. But let me tell you, attempting to do everything alone isn't just exhausting, it's unsustainable. I'll share a quick story. Early in my career, I was stuck in the grind, hustling, grinding, believing that if I just worked harder, longer, and faster, success would magically appear. But here's the thing. While I was busy doing everything, I wasn't doing the one thing I should have been focusing on, leading the business in the way that I should have. The truth is, the belief that no one can match your skills might be a costly miscalculation. Yes, you're great at what you do, but there are professionals out there who are equally great at what they do. And when you let them shine, something amazing happens. Delegation isn't just a skill, it's an art. It's about understanding that building a thriving business doesn't mean doing it yourself. It means surrounding yourself with people who excel in their areas of expertise. Think about it. You wouldn't build a house on your own, right? You'd hire an architect, a builder, a plumber, an electrician, all experts in their craft. So why would you treat your business any differently? When marketers market, salespeople sell, and leaders lead their business, your business just doesn't survive. It thrives. That's when the magic really happens. You create space for growth, innovation, and more importantly, sanity. Let's talk about this whole hustle and grind culture for a moment. It's glorified, isn't it? But the reality is, grinding endlessly doesn't define success. Working smarter does. And working smarter starts with trusting your team to do what they're hired to do. When you delegate effectively, you free yourself to focus on the bigger picture, strategic planning, business growth, and dare I say it, even taking a day off. Imagine that. So here's my challenge for you. Take a hard look at your to-do list. What's one task you're holding on to that someone else could do better? Start small, delegate it, and see what happens. You might just find that letting go is the key to scaling up. If this resonates with you, let's talk. Schedule a free strategy session and we'll work together to unshackle your business from the overwhelm of the DIY conundrum. It's time to stop doing everything and start achieving anything. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss the next pitfall in our series. Together, we'll turn these mistakes into milestones for your success. If you'd like to know more on how you can achieve sustainable growth, achieve more in less time, and or develop great teams by moving outside of your comfort zone, please schedule a call with me in the contact link down below for a complimentary discussion on where you are currently at and where it is that you want to get to in your business. Until next time, this is Phil Badura, turning business dreams into reality.